Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Epson WF2750 printer-related products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the budget-friendly remanufactured 220 XL ink cartridge replacement by Uniwork. Priced at just $19.99, this product is ideal for those who need an affordable ink solution for their Epson WF2750 or other compatible printers. Despite being a remanufactured option, it delivers a solid page yield of up to 500 pages for black ink and 450 pages for color, making it a great choice for everyday printing tasks at home or in small offices. Design-wise, these cartridges are compact and easy to install, though you need to handle them carefully to avoid touching the chip or ink nozzles. Uniwork provides troubleshooting tips for recognition issues, ensuring smooth operation. While it doesn't match the longevity or quality of Epson's genuine cartridges, it's a reliable alternative for those on a tight budget. The main downside here is that remanufactured cartridges might not deliver the same vibrant colors or sharp text as genuine Epson products, and compatibility can vary slightly between printers. However, for the price, it's hard to beat the value. If you're looking for cost-effective ink for light usage, this is your go-to option. At number 4, we have the Expression Home XP5200 wireless color all-in-one printer. Priced at $79.99, this model strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it perfect for home users who need versatile printing capabilities. It delivers vibrant, borderless photo printing and crisp documents thanks to Epson's Precision Core technology. Plus, it features a 150-sheet paper tray and automatic two-sided printing, which saves paper and reduces waste. The XP5200 has a sleek design and compact dimensions, making it easy to fit into smaller spaces. Its 2.4-inch color display ensures user-friendly navigation, and you can set it up effortlessly using the Epson Smart Panel app. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and USB, with support for printing directly from Android and iOS devices. However, it's worth noting that print speeds are modest, with 7.5 ppm for color and 14 ppm for black and white prints. While it's a solid choice for casual home use, the XP5200 lacks some advanced features found in higher-end models, such as Ethernet connectivity or a large paper capacity. Overall, it's a reliable and affordable option for families or individuals looking for easy, high-quality printing without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the WorkForce WF2960 wireless all-in-one printer, which is priced at $159.99 and designed for home offices. This model features Epson's Precision Core technology, delivering professional quality prints with sharp text and vibrant color graphics. It's equipped with a 150-sheet paper tray, automatic two-sided printing, and an auto document feeder, making it a practical choice for tackling everyday office tasks. The WF2960 boasts a sturdy build and modern design, complete with a 2.4-inch color touchscreen for seamless navigation. It supports wireless connections, Ethernet, and mobile printing from Android or iOS devices, ensuring versatility. Additionally, its voice-activated printing via Alexa and Siri adds a touch of convenience. However, print speeds are average, with 7.5 ppm for color and 14 ppm for monochrome, which might be a slight drawback for high-volume users. This printer's main strength lies in its reliable performance and efficient paper handling, but it's worth noting that it's compatible only with Epson genuine cartridges. For small business owners or those working from home, the WF2960 offers a well-rounded set of features to boost productivity without overspending. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the WorkForce Pro WF4830 wireless all-in-one printer, priced at $249.99. This premium model is designed for heavy workloads, making it perfect for small businesses or busy home offices. It features Epson's Precision Core heat-free technology for high-speed, high-quality printing, with 25 ppm for monochrome and 12 ppm for color. The WF4830 also includes automatic two-sided printing, copying, scanning, and faxing, supported by a 50-sheet auto-document feeder and 500-sheet paper capacity. The design is robust and professional, with a sleek black finish and a 4.3-inch color touchscreen for intuitive navigation. Connectivity options include wireless, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, and Ethernet, ensuring seamless integration with various devices. The Epson Smart Panel app adds convenience, allowing users to manage printing tasks from their mobile devices. While the upfront cost is higher, this printer delivers exceptional reliability and productivity for demanding users. The WF4830 is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a powerhouse printer with versatile functionality. It's engineered for durability and efficiency, though it's compatible only with Epson genuine cartridges. If you're looking for top-tier performance and advanced features, this model is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.